Hi friend, I'm Coley. Today I'm going to show you a cute project that you can do with your kids that's going to be really simple and easy to do, made with cereal boxes. I love this project because it allows my kids to be really creative and have fun with it and use their imagination, and I don't have to worry about it breaking or getting wrecked, because if it does, we can just make it again another day or another time using more and more cereal boxes that we have at home. So the first thing you'll need is obviously an empty cereal box. I took ours here and cut up the side so I could lay it flat. So then I took a ruler and drew some straight lines so I could make my house shape. One thing to note is that I left the fold in the middle of the houses. You'll need this to help your house stand up naturally on its own. So make sure you leave that so that your houses can stay connected and that you can fold them in the end to stand them up. Next, I took some white paint. I decided to make mine white to make our house look a little more wintry. And then I took some baking soda and added it to the paint. This will give your paint a little more texture on the outside of your house to make it look more like a real house. So then you'll go ahead and just paint the entire surface of your house, making sure all the edges are filled. You might have to do a couple layers to get it completely filled as well if you're using a lighter color like I am here. Once it's dry, you can kind of see a little bit of the texture from the baking soda. I liked the way this looked. It made it look more like a real house. This is the fun part where I got to sketch in all the windows and doors and then paint over it to give it more character. I took some brown paint here and just watered it down a little bit to give it more of a watercolored look, but you can be as fun and creative with this as you like. Then I used some of the extra cardboard scraps to make a wreath on the doors here. All you have to do is just make a little circle like this, then take some paint for painting around your circle and start dabbing little strokes around your circle to make a wreath-like texture. You can make it as big or as thin as you want. Just keep dabbing to give it more of an organic look, like it's little leaves coming off of your wreath. Once your paint is dry, then take some scissors and start cutting around your leaf strokes like this, going back and forth just to give it a little more texture around your wreath. The fun part about this is that it doesn't have to be perfect, and the less perfect it is, the cuter it is, in my opinion. To cut out the inside, just fold it like this and make a little slit, and then you can cut around the circle on the inside, going back and forth the same way you did on the outside to give it some more texture. After I cut out both my wreaths, I decided to use the white paint and add some dots and a little bow to give it more character. Then I glued them to the doors to have them stay on. What I also love about this project is that you can use it in lieu of a real gingerbread house. So you could make this with Cheerios or candy and ribbon and fabric and add things like that all over it to make it look like a gingerbread house without having to use real gingerbread food or frosting. So once you're finished painting and decorating, you can take this part in the middle and fold it over and crease it a little tighter so that when you stand it up, it'll stay in place. And there you have it, a cute little gingerbread house winter scene that you can use to play with your kids. We also made these toilet paper roll Christmas trees, and you can find the tutorial on how to do this in my YouTube channel as well, so you can have a full Christmas scene to play with together. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and be sure to check out the description where I have something free for you that you can print and do at home with your kids today. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you can stay updated on the next video I have coming your way with more creative, fun projects to do at home. Thanks for watching.